Now, pretty much every bike I've had have put adjustable levers on because my finger's running short. And normally I just get the £10 ones off eBay, AliExpress. However, they don't seem to do them for the Royal Alloy. So I've splashed out, and these were £35 plus postage from Carnaby Scooters. And my first impressions is they're pretty good quality. Right, so we'll fit these. So this is the set we've got. Nice packaging. And nice and light, but they do feel quite good quality. Fully adjustable, gone for black to match the bike better. And the operator, let me see, there's a little cam on that lever. Just pushes the lever out. So nice little action that. We'll see how they go. Right, this is probably the easiest job you're ever going to do, and it's just one 10mm nut and bolt. So there's no cables involved. Case of just undoing it. It's a bit tight. So we've got a lock and nut, and this bolt, and it looks like there's a washer in the middle, or is it just a plastic sleeve? Okay, if we move that out. No, it's well greased up already. Don't think there's any need for any more grease. Right, so place it in, line the hole up. You have to put a little bit of pressure on. Just using the socket because it's a little bit easier, and it is actually threaded. The bracket is threaded, so it doesn't want to be too tight. It's pretty good. I'll just put the locking nut on the bottom. Now there's plenty of grease on there already, so I'm not going to put any more on. Right, so that's it. And then you just adjust it. Oh, that's too far. I'm going to go for the nearest. And as long as that doesn't come back and touch your handlebar, that's okay. The theory is it comes back parallel with the handlebar. So I'll just show you. That's a lot of pressure. And that's parallel with the handlebar. Pretty good. Right, shows how small my fingers are if that's on the minimum setting. Same with the other side. Alright, that's the end of today's little video. It's a 2-minute job, it's very easy. I'd recommend you have a go at it. Hopefully the videos give you enough confidence in showing you how to do it. But for now, yeah, that's it. Videos coming in the future. As I mentioned before, I've got some lights to fit, different shapes, different colours on the front. I've got the rear and front crash bars to fit, and I've got some little mirror extenders, well, mirror posts, add a few mirrors to just to give it that little personal feel to the bike. But for now, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up please if you found it useful, if you found it interesting. Please subscribe to the channel, it makes a massive difference, plus you'll find out when the next video is uploaded. But for now, thanks for watching, keep the faith.